Good morning. I am looking forward to our trip to the coast. We have plenty of range in our batteries, so I'm not planning for any charging stops. But maybe you would like to take a break and enjoy some of the views? Here are two route options. The first one is efficient. The scenic route has some highlights you just need to see. Which one would you like? Eco route, always a good choice. Let's go!
When we talked about the user experience, it was clear to the multidisciplinary team that we were going to create something completely new for the VISION EQXX. We want to design an intuitive interface that is a perfect combination for the driver, bringing the data to support the driver's intuition. The system we developed is made to support the driver in every way. The AI-based efficiency assistant, for instance, calculates the most efficient and pleasant route. While driving, the occupants see a real-time 3D world on the one-piece display, which is powered by a game engine. Instead of a typical flat interface, the 3D world itself serves as a menu. The Zoom UI guides the driver through this world with different zoom levels and actively adjusts information on the screen to the context. The Eco mode uses interactive graphics and sounds to support the driver to drive as efficiently as possible. Using gamification, it suggests the ideal speed and gives feedback to achieve exactly the right level of acceleration. And they help the driver to keep an eye on the predicted electric range based on individual driving behavior. However, it's not only driving behavior that influences range and efficiency, but also external conditions. Thus, the VISION EQXX can take into account topology as well as the direction and intensity of the wind and sun to evaluate energy consumption and generation. Always at the driver's side is the AI-based assistant. The Mercedes Star Cloud avatar gives the car its digital soul. The female voice of the assistant sounds extremely natural and shows where the next generation of voice assistants is heading.
Good morning. I am looking forward to our trip to the coast.
It suggests context and route-based music, local activities, hotels, or restaurants to the driver. At the end of every trip, a summary graphic shows how much energy was used and where it came from. With a completely redesigned user experience in the VISION EQXX, we have created a perfect union of technology and digital luxury.
The VISION EQXX is even more efficient due to so-called bionic engineering. This process draws significant inspiration from nature for the design of structural parts. It means that material is used only where necessary for load-bearing purposes. BioniCast is the name for cast components designed by Mercedes-Benz using bionic engineering. Merging the worlds of simulation, optimization, and design in one process leads to significant material savings as well as reduced development time and costs. This is made possible by graphic and polygonal modeling tools that are also used in movie animations. And it's fully digital, enabling the creation of bionic structures in far less time than the usual development process. The largest of these parts is VISION EQXX, which forms the rear floor of the VISION EQXX. One casting replaces more than 40 parts in a conventional construction. Together with other components, it offers the optimal balance between functionality, economical use of materials, and lightweight construction. The bionic cast components play their part in making the VISION EQXX the most efficient car we've ever built.
Welcome to 2022. I hope you had a chance to relax and recharge over the holidays. We did, and we have big plans for this new year. It's a year to show what our teams are truly capable of, reinventing the car as we know it. The VISION EQXX started just 18 months ago as a visionary technology program, advancing in ways we never thought possible. With the EQS, we brought the most aerodynamic production car to the road, and our teams didn't stop there. Creating the VISION EQXX, their outstanding engineering skills led to an even lower drag coefficient with a value of just 0.17. Such a small figure makes a big impact by getting more range out of each battery charge. Technology, design, aerodynamics, a radically new drivetrain, and all other measures combined deliver unprecedented efficiency. They led to an all-electric range of more than 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles on one charge, and without just putting a bigger and heavier battery in the car. Quite the opposite. The VISION EQXX is all about creating a holistically better electric car that looks stunning and futuristic too. I'm incredibly proud of what this team has put together on a very tight schedule. The VISION EQXX is a statement. It's the most efficient Mercedes ever, and it's a trailblazer which underlines where our entire company is headed. We will build the world's most desirable electric cars. Cars like this one.
What a fantastic opportunity to create a vision of the future and to define what the future of luxury will be. Our vision is defined by our way of luxury through beauty and the extraordinary. Through design, we set the stage for technology in all three dimensions of exterior, interior, and UX, and create an extraordinary X factor. For the first time, Mercedes is using a game engine to elevate the user experience to the next level of digital luxury. We created use cases and visuals never seen before in the car industry, and through this explore new possibilities to create extraordinary solutions, our X Factor. We transformed our zero-layer concept into a three-dimensional world using the map as an interactive menu. Our Mercedes Star Cloud avatar gives the car an AI-based digital soul that takes care of you all the time. In the interior, it's all about a free-floating one-piece display. This minimalistic and high-tech design approach echoes throughout the entire interior with lightweight seats as well as the free-floating center tunnel. New sustainable materials throughout the interior like bamboo fiber, AM silk or Milo showcase a whole new level of responsibility. It provides all you need, no more, no less. The exterior is a sculpture of beauty and the extraordinary. Applying our philosophy of sensual purity, we created spectacular proportions that combine beauty with efficiency. The resulting body flow delivers revolutionary aerodynamics. And combined with clean, sexy surfacing, the look is extremely futuristic. The VISION EQXX is a vision of the future that embodies the desire for the next level of luxury from Mercedes-Benz.